Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Smart Money channel. Today, we have a topic that is crucial for everyone's future: retirement planning. We all are worried about how much money do we need for retirement. Do not worry, we will break it down into easy to understand concepts, so even a kid can follow along. We will guide you through how much money you need for retirement. Keep watching the video till the end and you will exactly come to know how much you need to retire comfortably. First things first, let us understand what retirement means. Retirement is the time when we stop working and rely on our savings and investments to cover our expenses. Imagine it like a long vacation after a lifetime of hard work. Before we figure out how much money you need, let us discuss expenses in retirement. In retirement, you will still have bills to pay, such as housing, food, healthcare, and leisure activities. These expenses can be divided into two categories: essential and discretionary. Essential expenses are the things you must have to live comfortably, like housing, food, and healthcare. Discretionary expenses are things you want to have, like vacations, hobbies, and dining out. Now, here comes the fun part: how do we calculate how much money we need for retirement? We will use a simple rule called the 25x rule. The 25x rule states that you should have 25 times your annual expenses saved up for retirement. Why 25? Because it is a conservative estimate that allows you to withdraw 4% of your savings each year in retirement, without running out of money. Let me show you a quick example. Suppose your annual expenses in retirement will be $40,000. According to the 25x rule, you would need 25 times of 40,000, that is 1 million. That is right. You would need 1 million saved up to comfortably cover your 40,000 annual expenses in retirement. While calculating this, for the sake of simplicity, we have not considered the return generated on investing this corpus. Saving for retirement can be an exciting journey, especially when we harness the power of compound interest. Compound interest means that your money earns interest, and then that interest also earns interest, creating a snowball effect. Let us illustrate this with a story about two friends, Amy and Ben. Amy starts saving for retirement early at age 25. She puts away $5,000 per year in a retirement account with an average annual return of 7%. By the time she turns 65, her retirement savings would have grown to around $1.1 million. Ben, on the other hand, procrastinates and starts saving at age 35. He puts the same amount of money into the same account with the same return of 7%. By the time he turns 65, he would have around only $520,000. Amazing, isn't it? Starting early can make a huge difference in how much you will have for retirement. Now, let us talk about diversification. Diversification means not putting all your eggs in one basket. In retirement planning, it is essential to invest your money in a mix of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The idea behind diversification is that if one investment performs poorly, others may do well, balancing out your overall portfolio. It reduces the risk of losing a sizable portion of your savings. Apart from personal savings and investments, there are other sources of income in retirement, like Social Security and pensions. Social Security is a government program that provides income to retired individuals. The amount you receive depends on your work history and when you start taking benefits. Pensions, on the other hand, are employer-sponsored retirement plans. Some jobs offer pensions, where your employer contributes to your retirement fund based on your salary and years of service. So, when you plan for retirement, do not forget to consider these additional sources of income for calculating how much do you need to save. Social Security and pension will reduce your corpus required for retirement, as part of expenses can be taken care of by these. One more thing we need to consider is inflation. Inflation is the gradual increase in prices over time, which reduces the purchasing power of your money. Let us say your annual expenses are $40,000 today. If the average inflation rate is 3%, in 20 years, you would need around $72,000 to maintain the same purchasing power. To protect your retirement savings from losing value due to inflation, it is essential to invest in assets that historically outpace inflation, like stocks. Congratulations! You have made it to the end of our retirement planning guide. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how much money you need for retirement. Remember, start saving early, use the 25x rule, harness the power of compound interest, diversify your investments, and account for inflation. Always keep in mind that retirement planning is unique for each individual, and it is never too late to start saving. Whether you are a kid or an adult, the key is to take small steps towards building a secure and comfortable future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future finance videos. As always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.